If you are publishing on Amazon KDP, don't skip this step. The interior type you pick will impact how your book looks, feels, and how much you actually earn per copy. Here's what you need to know. Open your KDP listing and head to the paperback content section. Scroll to print options, then look for ink and paper type. Now here's the part a lot of new authors miss. Each option here changes how your book prints and how much Amazon charges you to print it. Let's break it down. For black and white on cream paper, it's soft and warm and is great for fiction or cozy reads. For black and white on white paper, it's more crisp and modern. It's great for workbooks or nonfiction. For the standard color, it adds color without breaking the bank and is useful for light visuals. And for premium color, it's best for detailed images or illustrations, but this one costs more per page. You will see a preview as well and a short description under each option. Use that to pick what fits your book best. Choosing premium color for a text-only book, that's one way to accidentally double your print cost. So double check before you hit publish. It matters more than you would think. If you are designing your interior or cover from scratch, I usually skip the manual setup by using BookBolt. It automatically sets the right margins and print specs based on the options you choose here. They even let you build out full interiors so you don't have to worry about sizing or alignment. Link is in the description if you want to check it out.